I'm Laura Kelly. I'm CEO of Dean Adventure Camps.
And I'm John Kelly. I'm the CFO of Dean Adventure Camps.
At Dean Adventure Camp, we have 3 tracks: learn by making, learn by doing, learn by playing. And so with the learn by making, those are all great hands-on activities where kids are building things and being creative. Learn by doing, kids are outdoors and they're learning to climb and they're building core muscle strength and they're learning how to navigate a bicycle. And our learn by playing with our 4 and 5-year-olds is really a combination of all of that, where we have these thematic weeks where kids are making stuff and using their bodies and putting on shows and just having a great time.
And there's crossover opportunities between the programming lines, because there are things that were specific to the Handwork Studio line of programming, such as Soapbox. They were building soapbox cars, while Velocity has Make Your Own Skateboard. It's a great crossover between the 2 programs, because again, you could spend a couple of days sort of indoors creating something, taking it outside, learning to use it, playing with it, doing, so again, learn by making, learn by doing. Those are the 2 main lines of programming, those types of activities. And to what Laura said about Playful Explorers, that'll be for the younger ones, but that gives them a little taste of each and hopefully gets them on a good start. So
yeah, because I think a perfect example this summer was we had a child who the parent knew that their kid was an outdoor kind of a child, and so they signed up for Velocity. But what ended up being their favorite activity? They loved making the skateboard. And normally that would fall into the handwork, category. And I think that's the beauty of bringing all the programs together, is that you might think your kids are never going to want to
ride a skateboard and be outdoors, and find out that they do. They want to be. And vice versa, if your kid's always kind of scuffling around in the dirt, now they may be creative in making something they didn't think they could do before.